Hey, Treasure Guy here. Decided to do an air test on the Garrett Apex with the Viper, and what I'm going to use is nickel, dime, quarter, large cent, silver dime, a tom back button, and a heel plate, just to see how deep the Viper goes. Then I have the readout right here so you can see the numbers. So we'll start with the Viper. I'll turn this on here. Now I got it on zero discrimination, and sensitivity is all the way up. I got a gold ring. We'll start with that, and I'm going to start from 12 inches down. Some of them usually start from 1 inch up. I'm going to start from the 12 down. So let's see what the gold does here. We have a steady 50, 48 at 7. After that, when you get to about 8, you start losing it. Then it only goes one way, see? So 7, you get a more sturdy reading on the gold ring. Now, the sensitivity is, like I said, sensitivity is high, zero discrimination. So now we'll go with the nickel. Start at 12. About 8 or 9 inches. And that thing is bouncing all over the place, man. You get a better reading around 6. After that, you're bouncing all over the place. You don't get a positive reading. Okay, dime, clad dime. Around 7.5, you start to get positive readings. After that, you lose it. It goes from 75 to 30s. So after 7.5, this is on the Viper now. Okay, now I got the silver dime. Six and a half, 7 on silver dime. That's not very deep to me. Quarter, clad quarter. About 7.5, 8 on the clad quarter. Okay, we have a large copper here. Eight, 9 on a large copper. Tom back button here, tom back. About the same thing, 7.5, 8 inches. And this is one of my nicer finds. Nice hot heel plate. Of course, this is brass. Picking that up real good at 12. new package in the mail today, and I think I know what it is. It's from Babies from Big Boys Hobbies, and it's going to be my my new coil for my Apex, I do believe. So we're gonna open it up here. See if I can lift this off. Here we go. Yes, I got the magazine, the AC Apex magazine, with some more cool stuff in it. Anything else? Okay. Here it is, the 5x8 double D Apex coil. Let's see if we can open this up here. Let's see. Open that sucker up. That's in there very good. There it is, my friends. There it is. It's the Ripper right there. So we're going to do an air test on the Ripper. So we got the Ripper all set up, ready for the air test. We get the machine ready. We're going to use the same things we used on the last air test: the nickel, the dime, the quarter, the copper, the tomback, and the heel plate. So let's turn the Apex on. And like I said, it's on zero discrimination, and the sensitivity is full, and it's on, ready to go. And it's on, well, it should be on multi-frequency. Let's check it, make sure. Now it's on multi-frequency, zero discrimination. Are we ready for the test? Okay, let's do that right now. We'll zoom in a little bit here, so see if you can see the numbers better. Okay, here we go. We're starting with my gold ring. That's right. Here we go. Gold ring coming up. We got a steady signal at 8 inches on the gold ring on the Ripper. Next is the clad nickel, right here, clad nickel. We get a more defined signal at 7, 6.5, 7, just like the Viper did. Okay, we got a clad dime. About 7.5. And we got the silver dime. About 7.5 on the silver dime. Now we go to the clad quarter. You would think the clad quarter would come in better than that. There we go. About 8.5, 8.5. Maybe I'm swinging a little too fast for it, I don't know. Now we have the large copper. About 10 inches, the large copper. And now the tomback button. Yeah, 62, about 10 inches. And now the heel plate, brass heel plate. Picking it up right off the bat, 12 inches. Yeah, 12 inches on the heel plate. So that's our air test for this. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it gave you a little insight on the apex and the air test. I hope it helped you out. But that's it. You guys have a good one. Happy hunting. This is Treasure Guy. See ya.